Hey guys, Dr. Crystal and Lowery here at Navigate Wellness, your family's destination for prenatal, postpartum, and performance wellness care in Highlands Ranch in Littleton, Colorado. And we're coming to you today with a little tip that you can use if you're one of those people that maybe suffers from headaches, whether it's daily or occasionally, especially if it's coming from your neck or you feel some tension in the back of your neck. Maybe you're a person who has a seated job, you work in front of a computer, which is a lot of our workforce nowadays, or if you drive for work. It can be really great to roll up a towel. If you're traveling, you can use a sweater or a hoodie, maybe even a scarf, and you can roll it up to pretty big around, maybe about this big, and roll it nice and tight so that it's going to give you some support. And then you can actually place it behind your neck, in the curve of your neck, so that it will help accentuate your neck curve. You actually should have a nice reverse C-shaped curve in your neck if you have proper alignment. And so if we can use that towel, you can lay on it with your feet actually up on the table, the bed, the ground, so your knees are bent. That helps support your low back and your neck so that those can take some tension off the delicate muscles and nerves that go back up into your head and can cause that tension, headache, the sore back of your neck, maybe the base of your skull ache, or in certain cases into a full-blown migraine. So remember, pretty thick around, probably about bigger than like a can of LaCroix or soda, bigger than you might think. Roll it nice and tight if you can, and that can be a great way to support if you're flying or laying down after your work or even on your lunch hour. This can be a great thing to do, take some pressure, help to reset your posture, and hopefully get you guys some relief.